Hustle is my game. Yeah. I had to ask myself why I was scared. It's time to push. It's hard, but it's my game. Let's go. Yeah. I was doubting in the mirror, asking why you shaking. Fear was talking loud, but the vision kept me waking. Bills on the table, dreams too big for waiting. If it's hard, then good, that's the price of making. No silver spoon, just a phone and a plan. Late nights, cold hands, but I'm still the man. They said slow down, I said watch me ran. Cause a millionaire mind don't take no nap.
This heartbeat, I don't quit. Every note, just feel for it. Every loss, just teach me it. Hustle in my blood, can't sit. I gotta be a millionaire, that's the mission. Why I'm afraid of hustle, that's the question. Life is hard, but hustle is my game. No stressing, push my life, elevate, I'm on a new elevate. I gotta be a millionaire, that's the mission. Why I'm afraid of hustle, nah, that's the lesson. Life is hard, but hustle is my game. I'm pressing, watch me rise, watch me win, that's the intention.
Started from zero, now I'm counting lessons. Every setback was a setup for the blessing. Grind, don't sleep, neither do my intentions. Turn pain to a profit, turn stress to investments. They see the flex later, they don't see the nights. Coffee cold, vision bright, still typing rights. If you ain't building, what you doing with life? I'm stacking, I'm attacking, trying to change my whole tribe.
No my Kunzima, I'm still going. No my Kuya Banda, I'm still growing. God open doors, I'm still knowing. Hustle is my game, and I'm showing. I gotta be a millionaire, that's the mission. Why I'm afraid of hustle, that's the question. Life is hard, but hustle is my game. No stressing, push my life, elevate, I'm on a new elevation. I gotta be a millionaire, that's the mission. Why I'm afraid of hustle, that's the lesson. Life is hard, but hustle is my game. I'm pressing, watch me rise, watch me win, that's the intention.
Yeah. Hustle is my game.